Hey there, crocheters! It's me, Erin from Juniper and Oaks. I'm a crochet pattern designer. I love overlay mosaic crochet, and right now we are doing this great summer mosaic crochet along. This is a collaborative design, meaning me and 9 other crochet pattern designers got together to create this summery pattern. Today we're on section 5 of the Great Summer Mosaic Crochet Along, and this one has such a fun summery coastal feel. This section features a lovely sailboat inspired section that brings a fun summer on the water feel to this cow. The design was created by Joanna of High Desert Yarn. Due to some family matters, she wasn't able to participate in this cow to the full extent that she wanted to, but I still wanted to include her design because it fits just so perfectly. So thank you, Joanna, for designing the sailboats and still letting me include it in the blanket. I really love how these sailboats add to the story of the blanket. Section 1, we have sunshines, like we wake up in the morning and it's sunny and we gotta put on our sunglasses and then put on our swimsuit because we're going to the beach. We pass some beautiful florals, and here we are at the ocean sailing. And then, of course, the next section, we got to grab some lemonade or other citrusy drink. So the sailboats really add to the whole story of the blanket. Now, if you've been around the Juniper and Oaks crochet community for a while, we know Joanna quite well. We have participated in different crochet-alongs and collaborations together. She used to hand dye yarn, and I've used that in various projects. She also learned how to design mosaic crochet for the Mosaic Nordic cow. She even has her own Halloween-inspired overlay mosaic crochet blanket pattern. I've linked all these things here. So go ahead, give her crochet pattern shop some love, follow her on social media, and say that you found her through this crochet-along. She would love to know that. And let me know. This is section 5 of the crochet along. Are you caught up or are you still starting? Maybe this is the first time you've ever heard of this crochet along. No problem. The charts for each section of the blanket are free on the designer's website, and you can purchase the full pattern, including charts, written instructions, all in one easily downloadable and printable PDF. So I've included the links below. Those are all Joanna's affiliate links. So purchasing from those gives Joanna some commission on the sale and no extra cost for you. Thank you so much for that. Have you made any of Joanna's patterns? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, please like this video and share it with a crochet friend who needs to make this blanket. Subscribe to Juniper and Oaks for more crochet along fun and yarn related content. Happy crocheting!